Yo, previous on Color Culture. Oh yeah, I forgot I really didn't do nothing. But here's the sneaker that was worn in the last video. Pretty dope, pretty dope. But we're not here for that. Today we are here for the Jordan 4. Okay, I guess I'm showing the unboxing part. The Jordan 4 Off-NOIR in a size 10 this time. The last time I had a 9.5 and I got rid of them because two reasons. They didn't fit me well. It was a 9.5 and I didn't like the back. The side I was okay with, but I didn't like the back, and we'll get into that in just a second. And here we are with my little different format of video. Got to do it, you know what I'm saying? Again, the demand from the client. These guys were hitting me up every day. Hot kicks. Let me see. Where's my phone? Hot kicks 1977, right? They pretty much hit me up every day asking me about the video, and I told them when I was going to drop it. So here's the video, and I love the shoe though. Like, I can't be mad. What's going on here? That was a little weird. And see, that kind of pulled the. It doesn't matter. It's just the box, and you know the motto on that. We don't wear the box. And I do like how they wrap these in plastic. I actually do like that. Like Nike, you're watching this. You need to. There's some black stuff on there too. I was like, what is that? And I think I know where that came from. But StockX stuff, and that StockX stuff is dated. I'd recommend for them to never put that in boxes again. This paper looks good. Who's that guy in the lower left right hand corner? Is that Larry Bird's cousin? I don't know. I can't tell. Who is that? All right, so let's get these bad boys out of these baggies. And that's just cool they do that. It kind of preserves them. There's the yellow laces. Not going to use them. And, you know, okay, we did this. This is the old shoe, right? Look at the side. I didn't like the side. It was too pointed. Yep, didn't like it, pointing out the pointedness. And the back, it's like somehow they just squished it. Like it was making me mad. But I did take the tongue out. I did unstitch it. I didn't iron it like Chill's Kicks would do, but I did do it for you guys. And I don't know what happened to those shoes, but I love them. Look at the back. And I think, you see how they're like chipped? I think somehow they got chipped from shipping. And that's weird that this would happen in those plastic baggies, but on the heel you can clearly see chipping. And it's not the end of the world. It does kind of suck, but being that the back is actually correct, like look at the lining of the shoe meets up with the eye in air. That's pretty good. Like I was really happy about that. And I was actually going to shoot a different style of video for this. Like I was going to do like a more vloggy type video, but the pressure I was feeling from these guys, I was like, you know, they get a speed video. So I mean, in the vloggy videos, they're going to come back. I actually shot some videos. This video wasn't supposed to be so soon. So once I start getting the demand to put the video out, I was like, all right, this just gets put up on the list, but it's going to be this kind of, you know, quick shot, which this is kind of fun doing it this way. AJ11 polyurethane insole, I love it. I actually think all Air Jordans, yes, I repeat, even Jordan 1s, all Air Jordans should have the polyurethane insole. It makes the shoe so comfortable. I have a pair of Travis 1s, the lows, the mochas, man, they have those insoles. It's like it's almost like a boost. So to me, that's good. There's some more little crumbs on it. Side looks good though. I'm going back to the back. In this video, you're going to see the back of the shoes a lot. Like, I took a lot of shots of the back. So I was so impressed with their quality. So, Hot Kicks, 1977. Thank you for such good craftsmanship. And I know you're reading the subtitles right now, so thank you for the amazing craftsmanship. Look at that toe box. That toe box looks good. I'm not capping, like that looks good. We're not going to get into the unstitching of the tongue here. We're not doing that. I actually like the tongue like that. I've like grown this just like them like that. Like when I see them on foot in pictures, it looks cool. You got this blue color in the back. It's like that mesh material. The shoe's this really, really type of suede. I love it. That's why I have to size up, because the shoe's made of so many like thick materials. I had to go up like a half size to like a size 10. I mean, I do that here and there, but regular 4s like the Lightnings and Breads and all of that, I have to be a 9.5. But these all unions, I got to go up. So in the black light, what did we find? I think they did a good job here too. I think, spoiler alert, there's no stamp. I can't, well, hold on. There's the stuff behind the tongue. This is the hardest part of the video. Like when I do this, this is the hardest part of the video. Okay. Yeah, just some. I don't really see much. Like, there's really no. Like, if you were selling these and they pulled the black light on you, I don't know what they'd be looking for. All that ink and stuff's supposed to be there. I don't really know if it's actually ink, because what is it inking? But I think is what they use to clean it. I don't know. This one looks good too. This is the right shoe. The inside. Can't catch a focus on those words, but whatever. You scammers don't need to see that anyway. It's just on that back panel you see the stitching. And yeah, there's no stamp. That's what I was looking for. No stamp. So that's cool. I mean, I don't really care about the stamp, but you know, it is what it is. And here's what they look like on foot. And it's a really windy day. Like, I just went right out back and was like, yo, I'm gonna throw these up. There go the guava ices. Yo, my daughter spilled spaghetti on those guava ices, and we got them cleaned up and they're back to normal. But there's the back again, just in the on foot setting. And they're super comfortable too. There's a little bit more room, but I can live with that room because I laced my shoes up. Well, I didn't lace the right shoe up, but I typically lace my shoes up to like the second to the last hole. So just like, okay, look at the right shoe from what we're looking at. I don't know why I'm stepping like this. Again, this is a new style for me, guys. This is a new style. So go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Do all that stuff. We'll go back to the vlogs, but for now, I got to shotgun some videos out. So make sure you like help me out. You know what I'm saying? I got the NBA socks on and all of that. You know what I'm saying? The guava. Look at the guava ices. Now the guava ices look dated. So hotcakes, go ahead and send me the guava ices if you may, because you guys knocked it out the park. Like, I ain't gonna lie, you rushed me to do the video, but it was for good reason. Like, these shoes are really nice. Like, they're really, really nice. I actually like the guava ice better than all of the fours. That's including the taupe hazes. I really like the taupe hazes though, and even the strawberry looking ones I got sitting over there. I forgot what they're called already, and I'm looking at them. But these are the dopest ones. These are the dopest Union sneakers, aside from like the ones and did they just release something else, or is that Ama Maniere? I'm gonna mix it with Ama Maniere, but these are really good, man. You know, crease them up. These ain't gonna crease. That's like a mesh material. That's another thing I like about these. They don't crease because that material's mesh. It'll get like a general type of crease, but not like a sharp, smooth, regular leather type of crease. And these are dope, man. I switched the angle up on you guys. You know what I'm saying? It's just one-time angle switch. You're like, yo, this video's wild. But I'm giving them what they want. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes the client, they want you to do everything to get your channel clapped. And I'm just not going to do it. But I'm going to give them what they want. Here's the on foot. And without a doubt, I can't lie about the quality. Like, the quality is dope. Like, they killed it. But, peace, love, and light. Another video is coming real soon.